Sherry Santellan, and this is my bathroom that I had a partial renovation on. Existing, I had the vanity and sink and faucet and the toilet. I did not want to change those out because they were fairly modern, at least modern enough for me. But what I wanted to do was exchange my builder grade fiberglass tub and tower enclosure and put in new fixtures, a nice new shower with a built-in handheld shower and the tile rather than the fiberglass that was here. Put in a new mirror, new medicine cabinet, and a new exhaust fan because the other one was old and very noisy. I also had, from the previous painters, I'd had the full wall that had been all glass or mirror, and we removed it and they textured it and it wasn't done very well. And so I asked that repair the wall and retexture it, and so all that was done. It was retextured, at least one of the walls. They took the tile up to my existing crown molding, painted, attached all of the towel holders and toilet paper holder and such, and put in new, that was the other thing, the flooring was, I thought, a little bit too 80s or 90s looking for my liking, so I had to put in a new, more modern, pretty tile. So now I have a very shiny and whitish tile shower and bath. I have a new bathtub put into. The other one had, of course, some rust marks and cracks and such from being old. And it's beautiful. Oh, and a new light. I had a new light put in over the shower so that whoever is behind the shower curtain can have plenty of light to be able to see what they're doing. So it is now, in my way of thinking, a perfect bathroom.
It is beautiful. Let me show you everything. What Sherry said here. Hello. This is the new vanity. Look how nice it is with the dark around it.
Oh, I did not mention, since I did not want to change out my existing vanity and the countertop, normally you would have to redo the flooring, the tile flooring, you'd have to remove the vanity to remove the existing tile, that because this vanity was on top of the tile. But they were able to cut the tile just on the edge of my vanity and then cut each of the floor tiles to go up against the existing vanity. So I did not have to have, because to remove the vanity might have probably meant breaking the granite top, and then I would have had to replace it. And I didn't really want to replace it. I think this granite top is quite nice. So that was a big deal for me, not having to get a new granite top or a new top for my vanity. So I'm really happy how it turned out.
It is really, really pretty, and I'm glad that
and my cat likes
we
it.
made it. Yeah, we made it and nothing break. So
Yes.
Let me show the shiny shower. Look how nice it is with the whites and grays and gold in the color, and the shampoo niches that are matching perfectly, two of them.
Oh.
And of course the chrome shower set. Lovely. Very pretty. Your guests now will enjoy it.
Yes, and it's a very nice and deep bathtub that I can enjoy.
Yes. Thank you. It was a pleasure working with you.
Thank you.